So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to change screen layout on Vivo T4x 5G. So guys, if you want to change your app drawer layout and the screen layout, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you open your settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of dynamic effect. In the dynamic effect guys, here you see the option of home screen transition animations, okay, and home screen entering animation after unlock. Okay, so if you want to change the transition, so just go here, and guys, here you get the transition effect. And if you want to change the drawer options, okay, layout option, so just go here, and guys, here you see fly out by layers like this, then fly out, and then fly in. Okay, so here fly layer by layers, so here you also just go and apply. Okay, when it's apply, you just go here when you open your app. Now guys, here you see my phone is turned off, and here you see the animation. Okay, after that I'm turned on and unlock my phone, and here you see the effect of the application. Sorry, here you see the changes that we done, and check how the app is reflect. Okay, so just turn it on and unlock your phone. Here you see. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.